Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Multi Tutorials. In this video, we're going to talk on how to make or construct a histogram from a continuous grouped data. As we are seeing here that on the class intervals, we are having a continuous grouped data. How I'm going to say that this data resembles the continuous grouped data. So here we are going to, if we look here, you're going to see that we're having 130 and then up to 140. And then this 140 is our upper class limit. It's repeating itself as the second lower class limit. As you're seeing this again, 150, 160. And so on. So this means that this data is actually a continuous code data. So if you are having a data like this, which is being called the continuous code data, we are not going to add anything here on this table. What we're going to do, we're going to only take our graph paper and then we start to draw our histogram. So here I'm going to take my graph paper here, and then I'm going to firstly draw my two lines. The horizontal line, which is the x-axis, and the vertical line, yeah, this one's x-axis, and the vertical line, which is the y-axis. And then here I need to include a zigzag axis here, and then I'm going to explain about it. Axis. Yeah, so after drawing like this side we're going to label marks, and then this side is where we are going to write our frequency. So this side I'm going to use the the scale of where 2 centimeters is being represented by each unit. So here I'm going to say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And then on this side I'm going to start on 130. That's why I included this zigzag axis. This one, it means if from 0 up to 130 there is nothing, so I'm going to start only on 130. So I'm going to say 130, then after 130 I'm having 140. After 140, there's 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. So now, what we're going to do now, we're going to just come here and then we can say from 130 to 140, we're having a frequency of 1. So, if you look here, you're going to see 1, we're having 1 here. So, the bar here is going to be like this. And then here on the second interval we're going to say that we're having 140 to 150, but the frequency is 0, so we're going to skip because there's 0. And then from 150 to 160 we're having 7, so 150 to 160 there's 7, so 7 is here. So we're having 7, that between 150 and 160. And then in the interval of 160 to 170 we're having 10. So our bars are continuous. This is how we draw the histogram. Our graphs are not separate. So here 10. And then from 170 to 180 we're having 12. 12. And then 180 to 190 we're having 6. So it's going to come here. No, 190 to 200 we're having 2. So it's going to come here. So it'll be here. So this is how you draw a histogram if you are given a continuous grouped data. So on the next video we are going to show how you draw a histogram while you are given uncontinuous grouped data. So on uncontinuous grouped data, we are going to have a circumstance where we're having, let's say, 130 to 141. The way we are going to draw that histogram is totally different from this one. So on the next video, we're going to see how we draw the histogram given the uncontinuous grouped data. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.